Good morning, children. Hope all of you are fine and studying nicely at your home. I am your Sharupa ma'am. I welcome you in Moral Science class for Standard 3. All of you take out your book, page number 5. Today I will teach you lesson 1. God is present everywhere. God has created everything. The nature, human beings, all the animals and plants. A lot of us believe in God, and we believe that God has superpower. So, God is present everywhere and keeps a watch over us. Now, I will explain you the lesson God is present everywhere. Long time ago, a guru had his ashram in a jungle. A large number of students used to come to study under him from far and near. The guru taught his pupils very affectionately. Once, the guru thought of testing all of them. He said, "Dear students, all of you know that my daughter is of marriageable age, but I don't have enough money to find a suitable match for her. All of you have come from good families. You all can help me out." A student asked, "In what way, Guruji?" The Guru said, "If all of you bring money from your homes, I can easily marry my daughter." On the Guru's request, all the students agreed to go home and bring some money. They said, "Guruji, we shall surely bring money for your daughter's marriage, but one thing must be kept in view." "What, Guruji?" the students asked. "You have to bring money in such a manner that your parents and any other person don't come to know of it," the Guru warned. Now let me explain that part. The Guru was very poor and he wanted the money for his daughter's marriage, so he told his students to bring some money. But he told the students also that they have to bring the money in such a manner that no one would come to know of it. Let's continue the story. "All right, Guruji, we shall bring money without the knowledge of anyone," the students assured. All students went their homes and returned to the ashram after a few days with money. All were happy that they had got an opportunity to help their teacher. They said, "Guruji, we have brought the money, take it. I hope nobody knows about it." "No, Guruji, we collected the money at such a time when nobody could see us," the students said. There was a student in the ashram. He stood aloof silently. The Guru asked, "Gopal, why are you so silent? Could you not bring anything?" "No, Guruji," said Gopal. "But why?" "When I picked up the money, I felt someone was watching me, so I could not take out the money," Gopal explained. "Does not matter. Go and try it again today," the teacher advised. Gopal went home, but next day again he returned empty-handed. The teacher was a bit angry and asked, "Gopal, again you have come without the money. Why?" "Guruji, when I was taking out the money, I felt that someone was watching me today too," Gopal said. The Guru asked, But who is keeping such a watch on you? Guruji, excuse me. You said that God is present everywhere. So, whenever I tried to take out the money, I felt that God must be watching me stealing money like this. So, I couldn't bring the money. The Guru was overjoyed to hear the explanation of Gopal. He said, "My dear student, I was just testing you. Only Gopal has been successful in the test because all other have forgotten my teaching. God is present everywhere and keeps a watch over us. Never do anything wrong. Remember that God is present everywhere and He watches all our actions. Those who always remember it can never do anything wrong." The Guru returned the money brought by the student. So, from the story, you have learned the value of devotion, honesty, and truthfulness. God is present everywhere. He is always watching us, so we should not do any wrong thing. Otherwise, God will punish us. So, moral of the story, God is present everywhere and watches all our actions. Hope all of you have understood the story and enjoyed the video. Bye all of you.